Once upon a time, in the night garden, there was a funny noise. Boop, 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 boop. What a funny noise, coming from Makka Pakka's trumpet. There was a stone in it. Makka Pakka gave the stone to Upsy Daisy. Thank you, Makka Pakka.